Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are a foodie, an art enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, then you are in for a treat. Today, I'm excited to take you on a journey to the Bengaluru Cake Show, a spectacular event that celebrates the art of baking and culinary excellence, located at Tripura Vasini in the Palace grounds, Bengaluru. The Bengaluru Cake Show is currently in its 50th year, and it's an event that has become synonymous with creativity, innovation, and of course, delicious cakes. This year's theme, Celebration of Art, promises an extraordinary display of baking mastery and artistic talent. The event features 50 uniquely designed cakes created by some of the country's most talented chefs. One of the highlights of the event was the unveiling of two special tribute cakes. These cakes were made in honor of Ratan Tata, an esteemed industrialist and philanthropist, and S.N. Krishna, the former Chief Minister of Karnataka. The dedication to these prominent figures through the medium of cake artistry underlines the event's blend of creativity and respect for influential personalities. The Bengaluru Cake Show is a collaboration between the Institute of Baking and Cake Art, IBCA, and My Baker's Mart. This gathering of chefs from across India and beyond to create 50 extraordinary cakes is a testament to the skill and dedication that goes into the art of baking. Each cake is a masterpiece, reflecting the exceptional creativity and craftsmanship of its creator. For those interested in witnessing this spectacular fusion of art and baking, the Bengaluru Cake Show 2024 is located at Tripura Vasini in the Palace grounds, Bengaluru. With the event running till 1st January 2025, there's ample opportunity for visitors to explore the stunning creations from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. The Bengaluru Cake Show stands as a beacon of culinary excellence, inviting visitors to marvel at the creativity and skill of some of India's most talented chefs. Through its tribute cakes and the wide array of masterpieces on display, it celebrates not only the art of baking but also the inspiring figures who have made a significant impact on society. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below.